In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel pump relay on this Honda Accord. This will be located under your driver's side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to have to make our way safely under the dash. Make sure you have hand and eye protection. Now under the dash, we'll locate our fuel pump relay. You can see it right up in the center here. We'll start by disconnecting our electrical connector. To do that, you'll find that you have a small squeeze tab. Squeeze it in and disconnect this. A quick inspection for corrosion and set the wiring aside. There's our little squeeze tab right here. You can just depress that, pull down on it. There we are. Quick check for corrosion on both sides, as I mentioned. That looks good. With the wiring disconnected, the next thing we'll do is remove the relay from the bracket. To do this, you can use a small pick or even a small pocket screwdriver. We're going to make our way in between the bracket and the relay. After that, you can gently separate this by lifting it up. Just try to make our way right in between. There it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's get ready to install our brand new relay. We do not need to use this bracket because our bracket is still in perfect condition. Continue on to carefully making your way in between the bracket and the relay itself, and you know exactly what to do. We'll gently separate this area and lift it up and out of position. Let's get this in the vehicle. Now we can install our brand new fuel pump relay. We'll make our way over to the bracket with this, come up nice and high, and then slide it down into the locked position. There we are. Get a nice little click from that. We'll give it a tug, make sure it's completely secured in place. Now it's time for the electrical connector. We'll take this, align it so the locking tab is facing towards the front of the vehicle, and latch it in. Once you feel as though you do have it properly latched in, give it a tug to make sure it's secured. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, you want to make sure that you test the functionality by starting the vehicle several times. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.